completed my PG in SVC Engineering College in 2020. And then I'm joined to the JSPIDERS Institute. The JSPIDERS Institute, which is very good platform to get the knowledge, and as well we have to learn many new things. And then coming to the trainers, all the trainers are very helpful for us and very supported for us. They are always trying to make perfect in a class itself about the knowledge, and also the flow of teaching is also very well, and also they are always trying to make understandable in every concepts. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to thank to Keshav sir, Uday sir, Imran sir, Mani sir. They all are giving the better knowledge for me, and also they gave confident to crack the interviews. Thank you, sir. And then coming to the HRs, they all are trying to motivate for us very well. Thank you so much, sir. And then always giving the more requirements for us. Thank you, JSPIDERS. Thank you, trainers as well HRs. Thank you, sir. Thank you.